So, hello everyone. So, last class we have seen geometrical isomers based on the coordination number 4. Clear? And I hope I have given some shortcut trick. With that trick you have done in detail. You have completed well, going on well. So, today we are going to discuss geometrical isomerisms based on coordination number 6. Okay, and number of things are there today, but here I will suggest, I will not do each and every, because we are having 11 here, and it is an time waste to do all the 11, because they are not asking the structures, they are asking the numbers. So initially 5, 7 I will do it, but rest of them I will give you one number. If you remember that number and the trick, so you can give any answer. Next, after completion of this geometrical isomers, see, I am teaching very in detail. The things which I am teaching you might be you cannot see in your textbook, because I am going to the level of G and NEET, and I hope you will do perfectly. I don't want credit, I don't want any credit from you, but just I want you to clear, and wherever you go after your 12th, you should remember me with good memories, not with the bad memories. See, I am doing as much as possible, as much as I can give my best. I am giving you the best, and as much as I can do, I am doing it. But my suggestion is, don't rely on completely on me. Whatever I am doing, that is 100% sure, 100% will come in the exam. But please, my suggestion is, you do bit extra also. You can ask some other sir, or you can see some other things also, not an issue. I don't have any kind of a problem, or I don't have any kind of a grudging problem. You can ask any other, but my target is, and my dream is, that from you guys and from your batch, number of doctors and numbers of engineers should be produced from IITs and from the good colleges and from the good MBBS colleges, so that my name also will be shine and you will also shine, your future will be bright. Okay, because of me, if someone's future is becoming bright, so that's I say heavenly thing for me. As much as I can do, I am doing it, and as much I can complete, I will complete the course. Probably 110% course will be completed with a very due respect. I am telling that the course will be completed with a very, like a Wilkinson age, it will be completed, and it will be done very perfectly, not an issue. But what my expectations are from you is, you start to read now, start to revise the concept, especially for the 11th standard. Number of videos are available, 11th video also you can see, number of videos are there, and it will be with more good quality as previous years. You can ask from the school, I guess, I don't know whether they will give you or not, but you can ask them. So my suggestion is, you start to do the preparation for 11th, and side by side you start to prepare the question answers and start to prepare the theory section for the board point of view. Because sometimes what happens, I have seen number of students, they are very good with the concepts, but they are bad with the writing the theory, and in the board exam you have to write the theory. So writing theory point wise, and as you have done in the standard 10, so that is very compulsory, because you are in a board, so you are going to appear for a board within the next 3 months or 5 months, maybe in May, I don't know, in May I guess. So start to write as much as possible. Don't just study, just study will not help you, you have to write it. You are in 11th and 12th science, not your commerce. In commerce also, if you are there, you have to write it, you have to practice it. So here also you practice it, take sheets of paper which is available from the outside, pasti, we call in Gujarati pasti, call that, and start to write as much as possible. Each theory write down 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. First remember that theory, memorize that theory, understand that theory, and then write down 3 times, 2 times, 3 times, 2 times. If you follow this practice, I assure you that a day before an exam will be sleeping with a very good sleep. Study now. Now time has been up, nearly we are going to hit the December, then January, February, March, April, I guess in May we will be having the board exams, and after that May you will be having the NEET and G exams. So you have a lot of time because of this pandemic, you got a time, and I guess something course also has been reduction, some course also has been reduced, but I am not doing the reduction, of course. I am doing completely. But when you are preparing for the boards, you can see that whatever the things is reduced, you can reduce that for board. But see better for NEET and G, nothing has been reduced. Okay, so my suggestion is you have to do each and everything, writing it. Point number 2. Point number 2, I like to tell that now what you do is you read each and every line to line of a textbook. You read each and every line to line of textbook, because textbook is most important for your board and NEET also. Even the students who are studying, who are doing for the NEET, if you see the previous year's question papers, if you will see that nearly 70 to 80% questions are coming from directly from your NCERT textbook. So you by heart the NCERT textbook, make a NCERT textbook like anything, that even a single line should not be gone out of your vision. And line to line you should understand, line to line you should remember, because number of things are given in your NCERT textbook. Okay. So these are my suggestion. I am not a very highly experienced or I am not a very highly experienced teacher, but as much of my experience I am suggesting you. Okay, this is my suggestion and my advice. If you will score, I will score, because when you are going and writing the exam, actually you are writing myself, you are writing me, you are not writing your own exam, you are writing myself, you are writing me. Okay, so try to do the problems. If you have any doubt, I will be ready. But sometimes, see what happens, sometimes I cannot reply you, or sometimes I cannot do certain work which is not in my under. We are also having certain limitations. Okay, so as much as I can help, I will help you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Sometimes I may not reply because I will be busy with my works, but I will reply within a 24 hours or within a 15 hours. I will reply it. Okay. So today we are going to start the geometrical isomers. Make a heading: geometrical isomers. Right now, sorry, huh? We will take a new chalk only. So geometrical isomerism related to coordination number 6. Related to coordination number 6. Last class we have seen coordination number 4. Same, threes rule, same, huh? But slightly change will be there. So please remember, slightly change will be there. What was the threes rule? Make a couple. Make a couple. Okay. Second, make couple, then cancel same couple. Cancel same couple. And third is what, beta? Write couple diagonally. Arrange couple diagonally. Okay, so geometrical isomerism. Okay, so see here some changes are there. It is not same as coordination number 4, not exactly same. Some minor changes are there. So whenever coordination number 6 come, you have to be very cautious. Minor changes are there. What minor changes are there? I will tell you. Clear? So see here also we are, here's coordination number 6. So I am considering as A, B, C, D, E. Akri 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. है ना? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the monodentate ligand. I am considering as this monodentate ligands. Okay. Okay. So first, see here. Now I will write one list. Now I will write down one list. You have to remember that list. Why? If you remember that list, then I will give you one number. If you remember that number, if you remember that list, 4 mark question, without seeing, without doing any structure, without understanding any logic, you can solve. I will write down one list. After writing down the list, I will solve number of problems. I will show to you what to do, what to not to do, what to do, how many isomers are there, what kind of structures will be there. Okay, so what kind of structures will be there, I will show everything. And in the end, after completion, I will give you one number related to that list of the isomers. If you remember the list of that isomers and that number according to it, If you remember, I assure you, if geometrical isomers comes related to coordination number 6, any question, whether AI triple, whether G, whether NEAT, whether EMS, any question if you solve within a fraction of second. See here now. First you can generate of MA6 type of ligand. And there also one note, last class which a note I have written, that note also is applicable here also. At least two groups should be present. At least two groups must be there. For GI. So first is MA6, then is MA5B, then is MA4B2, then is MA4BC, then is MA3B3, then is MA3B2C, then is MA3BC, then is MA2B2C, B2C2, MA2, B2, CD, MA2, BCDE, and MA, BCDEF. Okay? See here, how many isomers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Totally there are 11 isomers. This list you have to remember. Now how to remember this list? See here. First MA6, then remove one, so one more will come, MA5B. Then one more remove here, MA4B2. Then BR2, no, so BC. Then MA3B3. From MA3B3, then see the 3 series is following. First 5, then 4 series. Then see 3 series, MA3B3. Then keep 3 as it is, so A3. So B3 means B2C. Keep 3 as it is, A3. B2C means here MA3BC. Here MA3BC, sorry, BCD will come up. So keep here now B2. So B double means BCD. Now here say B2 and here C2. MA2, now here A2 B2 series will follow. See here MA2 B2, okay. So MA2 B2 C2, MA2 B2 CD, MA2 BCDE, and MA BCDF. This series in this hierarchy only you should remember. આ સિરીઝ આ જ હાયરાર્કીમાં યાદ રાખવાની. આડું ઉડું થયું તો નંબર કામમાં નહીં આવે, તો પછી ટ્રિક કામમાં નહીં આવે. એટલે આ જે સિરીઝ છે આ જ હાયરાર્કીમાં યાદ રાખવાની છે. ઓકે, આ જે સિરીઝ છે આ જ હાયરાર્કીમાં યાદ રાખવાની છે. So this series should be remembered in this hierarchy only. If you remember that this hierarchy only, then only that's what number at the end I will give you, that number will be useful for you, else it will be not useful. Clear? Now see here. At least 2 different group must be present to do the GI. But MA6 only single group, so MA6 will not perform GI. MA6 no GI. See MA5B. So see beta A5 and B. A5 is one group, yes or no? A5 is one group, but B cannot form a group because for group minimum how much required? 2 are required, no? Here A5 is one group, happy, but B is only alone, so B cannot form a group. If it was B2, so it is a group. For group are formed between how many people? Minimum 2 people are there. So here 5 people are there, very good, group will be formed. But here group not will be formed. So MA5B also will not form a GI, other all will form GI. So who will not form GI? MA6 and MA5B. Last, as we have seen, no? MA4 and MA3B will not form a group, will not form a GI. Yes or no? MA4, last class I have seen, if you see my video, last video, MA4 and MA3B will not form a group because this A is one group, A3 is one group, but B is alone, so they will also not form a geometrical isomers. Clear this part? So here also MA6 will not form GI, MA5B will also not form GI, MA4B2 will form GI. Clear? Now here there is a minor one, point number 3. Before starting only I will tell, this MA3B3 is a special case. MA3B3 is a special case. Why? I will tell you. But remember, always MA3B3 for coordination number 6 is a special case. MA3B3 for the coordination number 6 is a special case. MA3B3 for the coordination number geometrical isomer special case. MA3B3 coordination number 6 geometrical isomer special case. MA3B3 geometrical isomers coordination number 6 special case. Who? Ma3B3. Whenever Ma3B3 come, coordination number 6 come, geometrical isomers come, special case. What is the special case? I'll tell you. Clear? Chalo, so we will start first. Now see here there is a minor change. Ma4B2. Example, if you need, example can be PT NH3 4Cl2. This can be the example. Clear? Chalo. So see, first what we are doing, last class we were used to write down like this, no? A, B, B. Yes or no? Clear? Now here, last class we were used to do, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, here we are not doing this. So there is a minor change. So make a couple. How we are making couple? Not by numbering. In coordination number 4 we were used to do with the numbers. Here we are not doing with numbers. See here what to do. So first go to the end. You go here end and replace the end. You replace the end with second portion and with the first. This is first portion, this is second portion, this is third portion. Understand? This is second portion, this is first portion, this is second portion, this is third portion. What you do? You go to the third portion. From that third portion you take any one and replace with 1 and 2 first. Then you again go to third portion, take the second part, remaining part, replace with second and third. So first what you do, beta? See, first you take this B, first replace with this and then you replace with this. Okay? So see here, what will happen? See here, first I will replace with this. So this will remain as it is AA, it will remain as AB, this A will come here AB. Clear this part? So this first is over now. Understood? So this B I have replaced with this A. So here will come AB and this A will come here AB. Okay? This is first. Now this B again replace with this A. So here AB. Yes or no? So this A will come here. So here AB and AA remains constant. Go to the end and in end out of 2 you take any one. Out of 2 you take any one and replace with first portion and second portion and first portion. This B first I have replaced with this A. So I got here AB. So this A comes here. So here AB. This remains as it is. Now this B will go here. So this will convert into AB. This A will come here. So AB center remains as it is. Clear? Center remains as it is. Now here see. Now again go to the third. And again see, now this I have done with the first B. Same I will do with the second B. So your second time is also B. So again replace with this. Okay. So this AA will remain as it is. This B will come here. So it will become AB. And this A will go here. So BA. That is BA means AB only. Chalo. This is over. Again with this B will go here. With this first. So this A will come here. So it will form here AB. Center remains as it is. This A will go here BA. BA means AB. Okay, so this in this way to make a couple in coordination number 6, not with a number. In this way you have to form. Not with a number. In this way you have to form the couple. Go to the last and arrange. Go to the last and in the last any one. First any out of 2 any first any one. Arrange with second and third. In second case again go to the last. Remaining second arrange with middle and first. Clear this part? Now second is same, cancel the same couple. See AA, AB, AB. So AA, AB, AB. AB, AA, AB. See here AA, here AB. So here 2 times AB are there. So 2 times AB are there, 1 time A. So this is same, cancel. AA, AB, AB, cancel. AB, AB is 2 times, AA is 1 time. So this is also same, cancel. How many isomers? 2. 2 GI. 2 GI are possible. Clear? If I go, I can do with numbering also, but numbering will be very, very crucial form. Because here it will come 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then lot of will come. So it is very complicated. It was last was easy because only 2 were there. Here there are 3. 3 pairs are there. Last were only 2 pairs, no? So that's what's easy. Here there are 3 pairs. That's why I'm doing this. Go to the last. છેલ્લે વયું જવાનું. છેલ્લામાંથી કોઈ બી એકને લઈ પહેલા શું કરવાનું? છેલ્લે વયું જવાનું. બેમાંથી કોઈ પણ એકને લઈને મિડલમાં ને ફર્સ્ટમાં રિપ્લેસ કરવાનું. તો 2 મળે. પછી પાછું છેલ્લે વયું જવાનું. જે પહેલાં લીધું હોય એના કરતાં બીજું લેવાનું. ને પાછું મિડલમાં ને ફર્સ્ટમાં રિપ્લેસ કરવાનું. આમ કરતાં આપણી પાસે 2 ને 5 બની જશે. Clear this part? Cancel, same cancel. Now what to do? Arrange the couple diagonally. Arrange the couple better diagonally. Now here, you know, it say which type of isomers? Geometric isomer, coordination number 6. And coordination number 6 means which kind of shape will come? Coordination number 6 means which? Octahedral. Yes or no? So what is the octahedral shape? You know, there is a one square, center M, here one, here one, here one, here one, and on top on M and here. So these are the shape. Yes or no, beta? So this is the shape. Okay, chalo. So how many isomers will come? 2. So one this, here, 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 M, here one, here one, here one, here one, here one, here one. Arrange diagonally. 2 means 2. So here how many are possible, beta? I am writing the number here, 2. Okay, here I am writing the number as 0. Why, sir? Understand, I will give you one number, phone number I will give you. If you remember that phone number, everything is correct. So 2G. Arrange the couple diagonally. So one couple is AA, another couple is AA, another couple is BB. Clear? Second couple is AA, here AB, then AB. Now see, focus this on B. See here this BB, same ligand are at 180 degrees. So trans isomer, same ligand are at 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees, no beta? Last class also I told you. So cis isomer. This is trans, this is cis. Now you can do the example of your own. Here PT act as a M, A is ammonia and B is Cl. Right of this. Clear? A, B, C, D are considered to be monodentate ligand only. Understood the arranging? Arranging, I guess it will be a bit difficult, but 2-3 questions I will do, you will understand in detail. Not an issue. Done? Chalo. Clear? So this was your Ma4B2. How many isomers we got? 2. Clear? Chalo. Next, can I go for it? Yes. Done, no? C is isomer. Just the rule is changed here only. Instead of numbering, I am doing group in this way. Because here there are 6, there were 4, so it can be easily done. Here also I can do with number, not an issue, but it is a very hectic and time consuming, better to remember this. Clear? Chalo, done? We will see the second portion. Second is Ma4 BC. Okay. So Ma4 BC, example you can find out of yourself. See here, AA BC. This is first, second and third. Now see, first you replace this B with A and B with A. So what will come here? First I will replace with A. So this remains as it is. This B comes here. So AB. So A will go there. AC. Now this B replaced with this A. So here AB and this A will go here. So here AC. The center remains as it is. Center remains as it is. Yes or no? Chalo, now we'll come to the C. We'll come to the C. Okay. First C replaced with this A. So what will come here? AC. This A will go here. BA. BA means AB only. AA as it is. Now this C will come with A here. So what will come here? AC. This A will go here. So BA means AB only. So this AA remains as it is. Now what to do, beta? Now cancel the same couple. So AA, BC. AA, AB, AC. AA, AB, AC. See here. AA, AB, AC. Cancel. AA, AC, AB. Cancel. Yes or no? Here also AA. Here also AC. Here also AB. Cancel. AC, yes AC. AA, yes AA. AB, AB. Cancel. How many isomers? 2GI. Okay. So here also 2. Clear? See here now. Then next is what? Arrange the couple diagonally. But this is a coordination number 6. So what is the shape? Octahedral. So first you take a square. Here M. Here M. Here will come, here will come, here will come, here will come. First will come is AA. Then will come AA, then will come BC. Here also AA, then will come AB, then will come AC. Okay. Now here you cannot say Cs or trans, you can say or not. How to see Cs and trans? See here. Here you can see this AA. Now B and C are not same isomer, no? Here B and C are not compared. See, first always see this. If B and C are here, and here also you can see B and C. Here B and C, we can compare with A also. See here A on the same side. C's, same side. And here opposite side. Yes or no? Or I can say BC. So here BC will be trans 180. Yes or no? See this BC. 180 means trans. See this here BC. 90. So 90 means Cs. Write on this. Okay. Done. Now coming to the Ma3B3. Ma3B3 coordination number, geometrical isomer, special case. What is special case? Now you will understand. So this is a very important. Very important. Very important. Again and again asking in the exam. Number of time it has been asked in the exam. You don't study anything, it's okay. But you study this. This is very important. Why? Just only for one special case. Sauthi alag che. Something different like me. Yes or no? So completely different as me. Okay. Sauthi alag. Extraordinary. So why? You'll understand this. Ma3B3 means what is, sir? Remember. Extraordinary. Over. Yes or no? Chalo. So we'll see this. So make a heading Ma3B3. Chalo. So Ma3B3, this is special case. Huh? See first A, B. So A is 3, B. I am making the group, see first only. B, sorry, one B is coming now, so here B. See. Okay, now again make the start the group. First you take this B, replace with this here. So this will remain as it is, so here will come B and this will come here B only. Clear? Now this B with here. So this will come here AB, this A will go here, so AB. Center remains as it is. Chalo, A B nu kam pati gyu. Now this B will come. Okay? So first B will come here and this B will go here. So it will come from here AB, it will form here BB. Chalo, A as it is. Then this B will come here, so here AB beta. So this A will go here, BA means AB only and center means AB. Center is AB only. Yes or no? This B will come here, so AB. This A will go there, BA. BA means AB. Center as it is. Now cancel the same couple. Cancel the same couple beta. AA, AB, BB. So AA, AB, BB. AA, AB, AB. AA, no sorry. AA, AB. AB, AB. So this is not same couple. AA, AB, BB. AA, AB, BB. AA, AB, BB. See, same is it, no? AA, AB, BB. Cancel it. AB, AB, AB. See, same. AB, AB, AB. Cancel it. So, how many GI? 2 GI. How many GI, beta? 2 GI. What is the speciality? I'll tell you, huh? 2 GI. This is a special case, but GI how much? 2. Now see, arrange the couple diagonally. So what you are doing, simple, we will do this. Only one. Here there is a change. In structure there is a change. What is the change? We will see this. M here. Arrange the couple diagonally. So here AA, here AB, and here BB. Next is AB, AB, and AB. Okay, you will do in this way. But what is the trick? What is the special case? What is the change here? In this AB, just you replace with A here, B here, and A. Just replace it. Close your and replace it. So you can see here, you will arrange here in this way. This is speciality. This. So this we say as a facial isomer. Now don't say cis and trans. Special case for Ma3B3, this is a facial and this is a meridional. So fake isomer, mer isomer. Okay, that is only the speciality, fake and mer. Once more I will tell so that you will understand. Okay, same as it is we are going to do, just special case by just you have to change the position of this at the end. After drawing the diagram, just change the position, keep as it is this. Whatever you are doing, do as it is. Take a square, here also take a square, center M, here, 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 here. Here center M, here, 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 here. Okay, so first you take AA, then you take AB, then you take BB. No change in this, no change in this. See here, this AB type. So here AB, then you write down here also AB, then write down here AB. Now what you do now, after writing this, you take this A here, just you change it. BA. Now you see this A in Ma3B3 type, this A is only one side. So join this all A. You can see here there is a one phase of AA. So this is one phase. Same phase of same phase with the same ligand. A phase with the same ligand. So same means phase. Phase. So we say here facial isomer, or you can say fake isomer. And this opposite we say on the position where same ligand are there, one phase will be triangular phase of all the same ligand. Facial isomer, opposite meridional isomer. Meridional isomer or mer isomer. Or mer isomer. Write on this. This was a special case which I have to tell. Okay. Done this. Write down. Are you understanding or not? So in this way you understand, only Ma3B3 will come fake and mer, facial and meridional. Other all cis and trans only, and that also in further cases cis and trans also will not come. Clear? So which is a special case? Ma3B3 is a special case. Ma3B3 is a special case. It will get fake mer and fake and mer, facial isomer and meridional isomer. And after doing this is only we have to change only in AB type, AB type, just to change the position of AB in AB type. See the video, revise it and see, check it out what I have changed it. Practice it. Whenever this type of question comes, coordination number 6, Ma3B3, geometrical isomer, special case. Coordination number 6, Ma3B3, coordination number 6, Ma3B3, special case. Facial and meridional will come. What will come? Facial and meridional. Done this. Next is what? Okay. Next is Ma3 B2C. Okay. Again write down here AA, AB, BC. Go to the third and replace with one with our first. You replace with this B with this A. So AA will remain as it is. B will come here. So AB, B will go there. BC. Then B will come here. So AB. This A will go here, so AC, center remains as it is. Chalo, B work is over. Clear? Can you go for 6? C now. So C here. C first will come here, so here AC, so B will come here, BC. This AA remains as it is. Then C will come here, so AC. This A will go here, BA means AB, and here also AB. Clear? In this way to make a couple in coordination number 6. Now see here. Cancel the same couple. AA, AB, BC. AA, AB, BC. Cancel. AB, AB, AC. Not the same, no? AB, no, not the same. Now check here. AA, AA, AC, no same here. AC, yes. AB, no. AB, no. So how many isomers will come? 1, 2, 3, 4. See here? Now it is coming 4 GI. So your answer will come here is 4. Ma3 B2C. No. AA, AB, BC. AA, AB, BC. AB, AB, AC. AA, AC, AB. AC, AB, AB. It is there, no beta? AB, AB, AC. This will also will cancel. Sorry, huh? 3 GI, 3 3. Okay. Don't mug it up. Just understand. See here. This was AC, no? AC, AC, AC. See this. Check this two. So it was AC, AB, and AB. 1 AC and 2 AB. So this will come. So here how many GI? 3 GI. Chalo, we'll start to draw. Here AA, AB and BC. Here AB, here AB and AC. Okay. AA, AC, BC. Okay. Now cis and trans will be called if there are two isomers. Here now there are three, so no cis, no trans. Huh? No cis, no trans, no facial, nothing. Facial and mer will come here only. Nowhere will come, here only it will come. But now cis and trans can be compared if there are two isomers. Now here there are more than two, so no. So no cis and trans. Okay, these are the isomers. That's it. They will ask the number. Clear? Chalo. Next, shall I do it? Okay. Now last I will do it. Then I will give the number because these structures are never asked. If it is asked, you can do it of yourself also now. Okay. So I will draw this, one number I will give you, how many isomers, then we will see one number when I have special number. Remember this all, this hierarchy you remember of the formulas, and one number I will give you, that number if you remember, over. Clear? So done, take a screenshot. No cis and trans, because cis and trans only two are there, then cis and trans. Here more than two, so no cis and trans. Fake and mer also only for Ma3B3, not for else. So from here, no cis and trans, simple. Just these are the isomers, that's it, over. These are the structures. Done? Chal. Cis and trans only when there are two isomers, then only you can compare, no? Cis and trans. More than two we cannot say. Chal. Next. Ma3, B, C, D. AA, AB, CD. First we replace with this C. So beta first here. So AA remain as it is. AC will come here, B will come here, BD. Now C here. So here AC. This A here. So AD. AB remains as it is. C work is over. Now we'll come to the D. So first D here. So here AD. Here BD. AA remains as it is. Now D here. So AD. This A will go here. So AC. Here AB. Now see here. AA, AC, BD, no same. Okay, now see here. AC, AB, no same. AA, AD, first check these two. AA, yes there, AD, not there. Check here. AA, yes there, AD, not there. Check here. AA, not there. Okay, so now check these two. Okay, now check this. AD, not there. AD, not there. AD, yes there. AD, yes there. AB, yes there. AC, yes there. Same. So how many isomers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 isomers. Okay. Draw the structures here now. So how many structures? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, arrange diagonally. First is AA, AB, CD. Then next will come is AA, AC, BD. Third is AC, AB, AD. AA, AD, BD. If there were two, then cis or trans, more than 2, no cis, and these are the isomers. Okay. Similarly, you can find for A2, B2, C2 homework this all. Okay, but I'll give you one number. Number is remember after 4, no, 5, 6, 9, 15. So here 5, 6, 9 and 15. So when you go for solving this, you will get 5, then 6, then 9, then this for here 15. Okay. No one will ask this. Okay, draw structure. Structures are asked up to here or here. No one will ask the structures for this. So don't any issue. Just remember the number. Take a screenshot. Chalo. Taken. So see here. Now what is the number here I have given? First what to do? See, number is 022. Number is 00 because here double, no? So 00222. Done this? 00222 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 15. Okay, this is the number. Why 15 circle means not 1, 5, 15. Okay. Again once more this number 00222 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 15. If you remember this isomers, so see, Ma6 0 isomer, Ma5b 0 isomer, Ma4b2 2 isomer, Ma4bc 2 isomer, Ma3 2 geometric isomer, Ma3b2c 3 geometric, all are geometric isomers, Ma3bcd 4 geometric isomer, Ma2b2c2 5 geometric isomers, Ma2bcd 6 geometric isomer, Ma2bcde 9 geometric isomer, Ma2bcdef 15 geometric isomers. Clear? Remember this number. First remember this hierarchy, Ma6, Ma5b. Then simple remember this number, 00222. 00222. 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 15. Clear? So in this way if you do, need not to draw the structure. Okay, up to here it's maximum. They will ask just what type, how many number of geometrical isomers are possible. This way number will they will ask this type of question. How many geometrical isomers are possible? Just you see that. Which type is given, compare that and remember this hierarchy and this number. First remember this hierarchy. First Ma6, then Ma5b. Then this hierarchy is remembering. If you don't remember this hierarchy, this number remembering is waste. First remember this hierarchy in this way. What I written in the board. Clear? So today your geometrical isomers are completely over with condition number 4 and condition number 6. In the next class, I will go with the optical isomers. And still, I am doing only for the monodentate ligand. I will show for the bidentate ligand also. So not an issue. Clear? So for today, that's it. Do this, practice that hierarchy, practice that number. You will get the perfect answers. Thank you.